Hello folks, just a quick update video. As you all know, I've been working on the cruiser, the Varyag, from the 1901 year to 1903. When you last saw this, I was working on the stacks and the hull, and I thought it's time I did an update as to what I've been doing. So primarily I've been putting as I've been told, torpedo catchers on the side of the hull on both sides. I've now got the shaft and supports for the prop shaft in place. The deflectors are fitted, and I've started working on the smokestacks and the rear of the hull. The best bit that I'm impressed with is the additional parts that I purchased to go with this, and that is the wood decking. This has gotten on brilliant. To achieve this, all I did was prime the entire thing. None of this is fastened down. I primed the entire deck, and then I removed the decking from its backing tape. It was supposed to be self-adhesive, but I couldn't for the life of me get the self-adhesive section to come away from its protective shield that was in the packet. So I've had to strip it all off directly from the self-adhesive stuff, and I found that using this rocket card glue, it's gone down perfectly on top of prime paint. It looks absolutely fantastic. I'm really impressed with how this has come out. It's gone down nice and flat. There's little additional pieces that I've been doing while waiting for the entire thing to dry. Tomorrow I'm going to start continuing work with the smokestacks. At the moment, this is as far as I've got. I have a pair that are primed and ready for second coat, and then I'm going to start work on the photo etch for the stacks. The reason I've had to ignore the photo etch for the deck is because I need the wood deck in place to be able to do a lot of the photo etch that's coming with that I bought to go with this kit. And I mean, in place, as you can see, I've actually put the photo etch, but other than that, I'm really impressed with this kit. As you know, not many people are impressed with the company, so I'm not going to mention the company name. At the end of the day, to me, it's a piece of plastic. It's got nothing to do with what's going on in the world. It's before that time, and this kit was actually produced and sold here in the UK prior to what's going on in the world. So, and I've had this kit a while now. So I hope you like what you see. What else can I tell you? Yeah, well, I mean, I've got to make these look a bit more presentable, but when in place, as you can see, it starts to make the whole thing look better than it does in a box. I'm loving this, and it's getting better every time I look at it. This is my first time at doing anything like this. Oh, sorry, I've got the shakes, guys. I do apologise. This is my first ship of this calibre. I did do one of the Part Works boats, but This is my first kit form boat, and I'm really loving it. So much so that I'm tempted to look into getting another one. I've got my rigging awaiting to be placed on. I'm waiting for the rope for the masts so I can work on the masts. Otherwise I would have showed you how I've done with those. I mean, there's not a lot more I can say about this boat. I really am enjoying doing it. 1350 Varyag. I hope you like what you see. Further updates to come as I do them. The guns are all done. You've seen that in the previous video and on previous shows where I've had the chance to show off the guns. And I could show you the little gunboats while I'm at it. I'll just get them out. So I did 2 of these. Let me just clip that so you can see it properly. So as you can see, one of the gunboats is all ready and prepped. The hardest part about doing the gunboats was actually fitting these 2 little inlets or breathers or whatever they are. I don't know the terminology. They're like the little flues or whatever they're called, and painting the prop, which is so tiny. Other than that, I didn't have much of a problem with this. The only advice I would give you is do not fit the gun until you've painted the sunken sections on this little tiny boat, and then paint the gun prior to fitting. Really enjoyed doing these. As I say, there's a pair of them. I've done them both. Here we go. So there's the other one. Getting that one all nice and tidied up, and a little bit of touch-up work to do on this one. But apart from that, it's very nice, very well done. And I've started work on the main bridge. As you can see, I'm currently having a go at the photo etch, which is so fragile it's beyond belief. So that's what I'm working on right now, but it should eventually look like that. That's just the upper railing. To achieve that, I had to remove the plastic railing that's on this piece that would have looked something like this here. It was just a solid piece of plastic, and I've gone to the challenge of doing photo etch rather than having a chunky piece of plastic that you paint white. So that's what I'm up to at the moment. I hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe and follow, and share me out if you think I'm worthy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please take care, and I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.